What you got there?
Oh, just some Mountain Dew, you know. Chill the nerves, you know what I'm saying?
Really? Because in this lighting it looks like a monster.
Why does a can of Mountain Dew look like a monster to you?
Because it's green and you got it out of the fridge.
Just because it's green from the fridge, that makes it a monster?
Of course, anything that is a monster goes into the fridge chance. Like this. This is a monster.
Devin, that is soap. Why was that in the fridge?
It's clearly a ghost. It's a monster, dude. That's why it's in the fridge, obviously.
This is dish soap. It does not go in the fridge. It goes over there with the dishes. What have you been using to clean your dishes?
Orange juice, obviously.
Why are you using orange juice to do your dishes?
No, let me grab. I'll grab you another monster. Here.
Why the fuck is there a drill in the fridge?
Because it's monster.
Just because it's green doesn't make it a monster, Devin.
Listen, man, you're just hungry. We'll put the monster back in the fridge. Have some olives. I'm gonna just chill on the couch.
You use orange juice for your dishes too?